Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about our sense of taste. And I found this really cool book that teaches us all about it called I Can Taste. While we're reading this book, we are going to look for the main idea in the text, and we're going to pull out one key detail that we have read about. So be on the lookout to make sure you can tell me by the end of this book. Here we go.
I can taste. There are 5 senses. Taste is one of the senses. We taste with our mouths. We taste things every day. We taste sweet things. Max eats cake. We taste sour things. Ella eats a lemon. We taste salty things. Bella eats chips. We taste spicy things. Eve eats tacos. We taste hot things. Avi eats soup. We taste cold things. Mila eats ice cream. What did you taste today?
All right, now we've read through the whole book. Let's talk about the main topic. As I was reading, I noticed the book talked a lot about taste. So the main topic would be things you can taste. Notice every page has the word taste on it. Usually, if I'm looking for the main topic, it is what the book is mostly about, and the word that repeats most often in the book is what the book is about. I can also find the main topic in the title of the book. Look at the title of this book. It is called I Can Taste. So things you can taste are the main topic. What one key detail did you pull out? While I was reading through the book, one detail that stood out to me was, oh, I just passed it. We taste spicy things. Eve eats tacos. So one main detail would be that tacos are spicy. Great job today learning about things we can taste, about finding the main topic, and about finding one key detail, which is one really important detail from the book you just read. Awesome job!